I have a fabulous holiday cupcake for you. It's my gingerbread cupcakes with that hint of molasses. That's that iconic gingerbread flavor. And then you're gonna top it all off with a very easy cream cheese icing that echoes all of those gingerbread spices in it as well. They're really easy, they're super delicious. Let's get started. All you need to do is add your butter and then the spices, ginger, cinnamon, and the secret espresso powder, some baking soda, salt, and then eggs. Give it a good beat, add some vanilla, add in your flour, and then hot water or coffee if you didn't use the espresso powder. Scoop them into your lined baking tin, and then while they're baking, make the icing with cream cheese, butter, the same spices that you used in the cupcakes, molasses, of course, some powdered sugar, and it's a gorgeous, beautiful, flavorful icing. Decorate the cupcakes. I use a little bit of star anise on here. I just think they're really cute. A dusting of cinnamon, and then dig in. They're amazing.